Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply at Plaaatje University, SPU. So what you're gonna do guys, first you're gonna open your internet browser. It can be Google Chrome, and then when you get there guys, you're gonna type https stroke applications.pro.spu.lc.za. And then now here we are guys. So on this one guys, you're gonna make sure that you fill on this form. Remember, first you have to create a profile so that we can apply. So are you a South African citizen? Yes. Do you already have a student number? No. Are you returning to complete an application? No. But no. And then on this one guys, now you're gonna be filling your details, your name, your surname, your ID, emails, and then email password. So I'm gonna be filling my details now guys. Mind you guys, I won't be able to show you this form with my details, because obviously when I upload the video, it's gonna say I didn't protect my personal information. So here guys, you just make sure that you put your details, and then the email that you put here, make sure that it's the one that you'll be able to log in, and then check the OTP, because they're gonna send you the OTP to confirm your account. So now guys, I'm filling my everything, and then after filling everything guys, that's one. So just make sure that you fill everything guys, and make sure that you fill with your correct information so that you avoid the delays and everything. Then after that guys, you see there's a box there, I accept. You're gonna click on that box. After clicking on that box guys, that's when the console is gonna appear in a red, because now you can see it's in gray. It means it's not clickable. But then once you click that box, that's when it's gonna be red. And then you see, now you're gonna click sign up. Then you see guys, and then you're gonna click there. Okay, remember now guys, you are creating your profile. Now you're gonna put your login in details. It's gonna be the ID and then the password that you just sent it, and then that's your login in details. And then after that guys, you make sure that you put your email, you put your ID, and then after that that's when you can click sign in. Remember guys, now I haven't approved the account. I'm still in the process. You see now it's written verify account. So now guys, when I'm gonna go to my email, that's when I'm gonna find the code. You see, here's the OTP guys. Then I'm gonna enter it here. I'm gonna enter this OTP here so that I verify the account. Then after this, it means now my account is successfully registered. So now I'm gonna log in. To log in guys, you're gonna use your ID, and then after ID you use your email and password, and after you click sign in. So here we are guys, here we are. Now you are inside your portal. So this is your portal, because now the account is registered. So when you're gonna log in, with your password, your ID, and then the email. So now guys, you're gonna start by uploading the ID. You make sure that you click choose file, and then you click upload, and then so that it get uploaded. After then you select the title. Are you employed? If you are employed, you click yes. If you are not employed, you click no. Then if then you click next. So here guys, just stay with me. So here guys, I'm just saying 2026. Then here they want the year that you did metric, so you're gonna put the year that you did metric. So yeah, on this part, guys, you just stay with me. You see, there is undergraduate, there is a postgraduate. Remember, when you are having matric, you cannot apply for postgraduate courses, but then you can only apply for undergraduate. But then if maybe you completed like a diploma in something, that's when you can apply for postgraduate. So yeah, now guys, I'm gonna click undergraduate, then I'm gonna click the have token, I'm gonna click no. So on these ones, guys, the form is the same, and then I'm sure whatever I'm clicking here is the ones that you should click on your side. As long as you are applying using a matric, unless if maybe you did complete a diploma somewhere else in a college or university. Yes. So now here, guys, you're gonna put your school. You can just type it. You'll put your name of your school. This school is the one that you did your matric. After you click continue, guys, when you are done filling everything, that's when you can come and click continue. So yeah, you can see, guys, here we are. So now they want me to upload a school result. So you're gonna click on choose file. Then after that, you're gonna go to choose file in your files. And then make sure that before you apply, guys, you are having a document saved in Regi. And then when you are saving the document, don't make sure that you don't leave a space. If it's an ID, you just write the name, then you write the ID. You make sure that there's no space in between, because if there's space, it doesn't gonna allow you. So you just gonna need it to be one same thing. And then now, guys, here we are. They want me to put down my school subjects. So on this part, guys, on someone it may not want this thing of putting the subject and stuff, but then here it need us to put like a subjects and so on and so on. So yeah, this is what you're gonna do, guys. You're just gonna choose the subjects according to your matric certificate or the matric statement, and then make sure that you put the percentage. After that, you get the levels before you can proceed to anywhere, because by doing this, guys, it's gonna help you to identify which courses you qualify while you're gonna be on the section of applying for courses, because now you are not yet on the section of applying for courses. So yeah, all the best there. Let me just fill this one. And then, guys, here, guys, make sure that you put the correct things. Don't just put the subject maybe trying to impress the institution, because the result that you are selecting here should relate with the ones that you're gonna be uploading. Because obviously they're gonna check here, and after that they're gonna check the documents you uploaded, if indeed they correspond. And then if they correspond, you get the respond. If they don't correspond, then it means you might have just jeopardized your whole application. So yeah, as you can see, guys, now I am done filling subjects. Then I'm gonna go put the grades. Then after then guys, when you are done filling everything, that's when you're gonna go down and then click next. And then mind you guys, when you are putting your percentage, the levels is gonna be there for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. And then now you click next, and then here we are guys, tertiary institutions. If maybe you studied before at another university or college, you're gonna click yes. And then if you didn't study anywhere, you're gonna click no. So yeah, on this one guys, you just gonna click the one that suit you, because it's not like we all didn't start anywhere, right? Some they studied at colleges before or other universities. So yeah, and now guys, you're gonna click next. And then yeah, here guys we are. So yes, here we are guys. I'm gonna click them all so that when I search, I can know which ones we qualify without leaving them behind. So you click all of them so that when you search, they're gonna appear all of them. Then after you check, you search the campus is only one. Okay, it's only one. Then you select it. Your central campus is only one, and then you select which year, first year. And then after then guys, that's when you can go and click contour. Remember guys, you see things like a contour, it is only being clickable once everything is done. But then if maybe something is short, it's not gonna be clickable. So you have to make sure that you fill everything so that it is changing to red. So yeah, now guys, they are saying okay, applications will appear, college they are saying courses will appear based on my school results, and then the ones that I qualify and the ones that I don't qualify. Obviously the ones that I don't qualify, they're gonna be in gray, and then the ones I qualify, they're gonna be in highlighted in black. So let me show you guys. Let me just, you see here the faculties. Remember this university is having 4 faculties: Faculty of Economic, Faculty of Education, Faculty of Humanities, Faculty of Natural and Applied Science. So yeah, I'm gonna open them one by one so that we check which courses are available and then which ones do I qualify, because obviously I will not qualify all courses, but then I'm sure there's courses that I qualify. For example guys, you can see now we are having advanced diploma in management. You see it's in black. And then we come here, we are having like postgraduate in education, bed foundation phase. And then some guys, you see they are in gray, they are not clickable. So those ones, it means even if it's the course that I want, I must just forget about them. But then these ones that are highlighted in black are the ones that I can apply for, because they are clickable. And then again, this University of Plaaatje University is only allowing 2 choices. It's only allowing 2 choices. So you have to make sure that you are aware of what you are doing, because once you submit the application, it's not possible for you to come again and cancel. You will have to wait for another year so that you can change courses. So yeah, and then you see guys, the APS of the courses are written at the end. Some you see is 30 APS, some is 25 APS, and then those that are 30, you see most of them are not available for me. But then those with a 25, they are available. And then you see guys, now I choose 2. Then after that, that's when you can click contour. I choose education. You see, now guys, you're gonna set which ones you want it to be your first choice, which one you want it to be your second choice. And obviously I'm gonna put bed in foundation phase my first choice, and then I'm gonna put the second one, diploma in information and communication technology. I'm gonna put it in my second choice, and then after that, that's when you can click contour. So if you know what I'm talking about guys, you see that there was a contour down there, and then it was not clickable. before I filled everything. But then after I filled everything, now it's clickable, and then you're gonna click on it. Since it's now in red and it's clickable, you click on it. And then yeah, here we are guys, here we are. So in this one, you're gonna be filling your personal details like home language, ethics, physical address, and so on and so on guys. So this one is just a general one. There's nothing hectic about it. It's just a general one. You make sure that you fill everything. And then where there is a red star guys, where there is a red star is compulsory. As long as you see a red star, it's compulsory. You cannot skip that part. But then if there's no red star, it's not compulsory. It's up to you to fill or to skip. So be careful on that one guys. Be careful. And then yeah, you see now everything is being filled. And then they're saying if your international address should start by Z. If you are an international, and then is your physical address the same as your postal address? Yes. No. And then after that, that's when you put your number. So like here guys, they're asking if your physical address is different from your physical address. If you say yes, they're gonna need you to put an address. If you say no, they're gonna take the one that you put it there on top. So that's how it works guys. That's how it works. So let me put the number, and then after putting the number, and then make sure that the number that you put here is the valid number, the number that you can be reachable at any time. And then especially the email. Also the email guys is very much important, to make sure that the email that you put here is the email that you are in use of. You can log in, you can log out of that email, so that if they send anything, you'll be able to check. Disability, no. Accommodation, yes. By saying click next. By saying yes on accommodation guys, is because when you get accepted, they can open for accommodation. So you're gonna be allowed to apply, since now you indicated that you're gonna need accommodation. But then if you say no, it may cause you a problem when you get accepted and then they open resistance. So I advise each and everyone to say yes on accommodation, so that you know you are on a safe side at all the times. So now guys, you're gonna put your next of kin informations. You're gonna put your next of kin informations. So yeah, so in these procedures guys, I'm trying to be as fast as I can, but then whatsoever I'm telling you now, you cannot proceed without doing what I've said from the start of the video. Always make sure that where there's a rester, you fill, so that the contour or next down there is gonna come in red. Does your parents work at the institution? Yes or no? And then who will pay for the fees? Public bursary. Then are you the student reasonable for paying? No. And then you're gonna choose NSFAS, and then you can put the reference of NSFAS. If already you applied for NSFAS, you can put the reference. But then if maybe you don't yet have the reference, it's fine, because you can see it's not compulsory, as there's no red star. So you can just leave it and then go to click next. As you can see, our next now is there and it's highlighted in red. It means now it's clickable, and then it's ready for you to press, so that you can continue to the next page. So now I'm gonna go to next and then click it. So yeah, here we are guys, now they're talking about documents. So it means now guys, we are reaching the last part of the application. So you see on the ID there is an So you see the content, guys, now is gray. You see what I'm talking about? It means now I must upload the school results, and then after uploading the school results, the content is gonna be in red. So yeah, that's what you're gonna do, guys. You click choose file, and then you're gonna choose the file, and then you upload it. You see, and then after then you click upload so that the documents can be uploaded, and then it's gonna be in the same way as the ID document, because you see on the ID documents there is an I, there's an dustbin of deleting. So after uploading this one, it's gonna be that way. Being that way, it means the document is uploaded successfully. And then after then you're gonna see the contour down there, it's gonna be in red. So yeah, this is how it works, guys. So it means you cannot continue in this part if you didn't upload your ID, you didn't upload your school results. So it's a must for those two to be uploaded, and then the rest are not a must because some you don't have, right? But then if you're applying with grade 11, it means you're gonna upload grade 11. Because obviously when you are applying at university, it's either you're applying with grade 11 final or you are applying with grade 12. And then now, guys, you see the contour is in red, it's clickable, so you're gonna click on contour. I hope you guys saw what I was talking about. So you're gonna click on contour, and then you see here's the courses that we applied for. Now they just need you to confirm everything if maybe they didn't make any mistake. So here are our courses. Is course choice number 1, choice number 2. So if everything is correct, you just scroll down so that you confirm everything from the course chosen, and then also every uploaded, your details, and so on and so on. You see, and then if you feel like okay, the school result you uploaded is not the one, you can just click on edit and then put the correct ones before you click submit application, because once you click submit application, guys, it means everything now is going through and then there's no turning back. But then now they're giving you a chance to what? To confirm everything. If you want to check identity details, you can click on identification details. If you want to check applicant information, you click on applicant information, so on and so on. So yeah, now guys, when you're done checking and verifying, we're gonna click submit application. This one is the last step of the application. Once you see yourself clicking submit application, just know that now your application is coming to an end. So just make sure that everything is in a correct form, all the information is yours, and so on, so that you avoid errors, guys. You see, now like the application is done. As you can see, guys, on my screen it's written hooray, submission successful, congratulations, your application has been successfully submitted and will be reviewed. So yeah, reference number is that one, guys. So they're saying my application is done and is submitted, and then it's gonna be attended. So obviously they cannot attend it now because you can't apply now and expect the application to be attended now. There's a certain time for you to wait. There's a waiting period, normally 21 working days. So yeah, this is how we apply, guys, as SPU, Soul Pledge University. I hope you guys find this video useful. You like, you share, you subscribe. Let's subscribe, guys.